Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to set the rotation angle for PCB components in EasyEDA when you press the spacebar. When designing in a PCB, we often need to rotate components to optimize the layout. Setting an appropriate rotation angle makes this process more precise and efficient. It's actually quite simple. First, click Setting and top menu to open the setting window, and the left menu from the PCB footprint. General. Then on the right-hand panel, look for rotation step. By default, it's usually 90 degrees, but you can enter any angle you want in the input box. Once you are set it, click Apply and then Confirm, and your setting will take effect immediately. With this setup, you will have better control over component rotation, making layout adjustment more accurate and aligned with your design needs.